Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make these three-dimensional paper ornaments. They're really cool. All you need is printer paper, scissors, and a hot glue gun. So I started off with my paper, folded it down, and you're going to cut this edge off. So that way you end up with a perfect square. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make cuts. Okay, you're gonna make cuts in your paper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At an angle on each side and make sure that they don't meet in the middle. You want about an inch in between the cuts along here, okay? So let me just show you for a minute here. We're gonna make cuts like that. I've got my oldest kiddo here with me today making these, and I would suggest starting on this side, cutting them in, and here we go. Now, if these guys are too far apart, we won't be able to do the next part successfully. So you may have to go back and cut them again. So we're gonna open these up, and we're gonna fold these two parts in like this, and we're just gonna hot glue. Okay. Flip. Hot glue, take the little hot glue strings away, flip, hot glue, flip, hot glue, flip, hot glue. My kids say that I have a superpower where my fingers don't feel pain anymore because of all the times that I have burned and poked and hurt them over the years. So the hot glue doesn't seem to bother me, but it still does a little bit. But I think I do have a little bit of that superpower. I've just worn away my nerves. There we go. So you see how easy that was. And then you just hang them. You can hot glue a string here and hang them from the ceiling. That would be such a beautiful display. We're actually going to put these in the boys' room from the ceiling to add a little festive fun in their room. There you go, guys, and see you another day.